And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be necessary through tonight.
At 11 o'clock a.m. at Pontiac, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 43 degrees. The dew point was 21, and the relative humidity was 42%. The wind was west at 7 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.34 inches and steady. Elsewhere around the region, it was sunny with a temperature of 39 at Peoria, 38 at Bloomington, and 34 at Springfield. It was cloudy with a temperature of 41 at Joliet, 40 at Chicago, 40 at Morris, and 40 at Peru.
The proceeding was a test of the National Weather Service alarm tone. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specifically equipped weather receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers by this system are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next available good weather day. The warning alarm transmitted over the National Weather radio stations in northern Illinois and northwestern Indiana will be activated for watches and/or warnings affecting counties in the listening area. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary at any given location. The variability, normally more noticeable at a distance from a given transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the TOME alarm test. We now return to our regular programming.
At 11 o'clock a.m. at Pontiac, it was mostly sunny.